Hi, if you have an own AI code base and want to download and use the Expert Advisor built in this video, just click on the link below.
In this video, we are going to create an expert advisor that trades the Ichimoku Kinko Hyo indicator with a trailing stop mechanism based on recent highs and lows. Let's see how we can do that. To start, we open MetaEditor by clicking the little icon or pressing F4. In the new file, we first include the trade class from the standard library. This inclusion gives us access to the CTrade object, which simplifies trading operations like opening and modifying positions. We create an instance of CTrade called Trade with default parameters. This object will handle all our trade operations, including position management throughout the Expert Advisor's lifecycle. Next, we define our strategy configuration parameters. These are adjustable in the EA Properties window. We set loopback bars to 50, which determines how many historical candles we analyze for finding highs and lows. Min candles back is set to 5, which specifies the minimum age a high or low must have to be considered valid for our trailing stop calculations. Trailing offset is 10.0 points, which provides a safety margin between the actual high or low and our stop loss level. For the Ichimoku indicator, we configure several parameters. Tenkan-sen is 9 periods for the conversion line. Kijun-sen is 26 periods for the baseline. Senkou span B is 52 periods for the second leading span. Displacement is 26 periods, which shifts the cloud forward on the chart. Use Chikou span is true to enable the lagging span for additional confirmation signals. We declare global variables and handles to store state between ticks. Ichimoku handle will store the indicator handle for the Ichimoku indicator. Price data is an array of MQL rates type that will hold our OHLC price data. The onInit function runs once when the Expert Advisor starts. Here we create the Ichimoku indicator handle using iIchimoku with our symbol, hourly time frame, and the configured periods for Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, and Senkou span B. We configure the price data array as a time series using ArraySetAsSeries, so the most recent data is at index 0. The function returns init_succeeded to indicate successful initialization. We create two position opening functions. Open by position retrieves the current ask price using symbol info double with symbol _ask. It then opens a by position using trade. Position open with our symbol, order_type_by, 0.10 lots, which equals 10 micro lots, the ask price as entry price, 0 for stop loss, 0 for take profit, and a comment identifying this as an Ichimoku position. Open sell position works similarly but for sell orders. It gets the current bid price using symbol _bid and opens a sell position with order_type_sell, 0.10 lots, the bid price as entry price, 0 for both stop loss and take profit, and the same comment. The onTick function executes on every price update. First, we retrieve historical price data using copy rates with our symbol, hourly time frame, starting from 0, requesting loopback bars plus displacement candles to ensure we have enough data for our analysis. We load Ichimoku values into arrays by declaring arrays for each component, Tenkan-sen for the conversion line, Kijun-sen for the baseline, Senkou span A and Senkou span B for the cloud spans, and Chikou span for the lagging span. All arrays are configured as time series. We copy indicator data to these arrays using copy buffer. Buffer 0 contains Tenkan-sen values, Buffer 1 has Kijun-sen, Buffer 2 has Senkou span A, Buffer 3 has Senkou span B, and Buffer 4 contains Chikou span data. We request loopback bars of data for each component. To check position status, we initialize has open position as false and current position type as position_type_by. We scan through all open positions using positions total in reverse order for safe modification. For each position, we get its ticket with position get ticket, select it with position select by ticket, and check if it belongs to our symbol. If found, we set has open position to true and store the position type. We generate simple trading signals based on Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen crossovers. A buy signal occurs when Tenkan-sen was below Kijun-sen in the previous candle but crosses above in the current candle. A sell signal happens when Tenkan-sen was above Kijun-sen but crosses below. For buy strategy execution, when we have a buy signal and no open position, we call open buy position to enter a long trade. If we already have a buy position, we find the lowest low in the lookback period using ilowest with mode_low over loopback bars starting from 0. We store this low value and check if the low is at least min candles back old and if current close is above this low. If conditions are met, we calculate a new stop level by adding trailing offset points to the low and call process trailing stop with this level and position_type_buy. For sell strategy execution, when we have a sell signal and no open position, we call open sell position to enter a short trade. With an existing sell position, we find the highest high using highest with mode_high over loopback bars. We verify the high is old enough and current close is below this high. The new stop level is calculated by subtracting trailing offset points from the high, and process trailing stop is called with this level and position_type_sell. Process trailing stop manages trailing stops for both position types. It iterates through all positions in reverse order. For each position, it gets the ticket and selects it. It checks if the position matches our specified type and symbol. It retrieves the current stop loss value. For buy positions, it updates the stop loss if the new level is higher than current or if no stop exists. For sell positions, it updates if the new level is lower than current or if no stop exists. The update uses trade position modifier with the ticket, new stop level, and 0 for take profit. After writing all this code, we press F7 to compile the expert advisor. If this was too fast or you don't understand what all the code is doing, you might want to check out the premium course on our website or watch one of the basic videos first. Now we go back to MetaTrader by pressing F4 or clicking the icon. In MetaTrader, we press Control and R to open the strategy tester. We select the expert advisor we just created, enable visual mode, and start a strategy test. We should see the expert advisor running on the chart with positions opening based on Ichimoku crossovers and trailing stops adjusting based on recent highs and lows. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. In this video, we learned how to create an expert advisor that trades the Ichimoku indicator with trailing stops based on recent price extremes. You have now coded an expert advisor yourself with just a few lines of MQL code that can automatically identify trading opportunities and manage positions with dynamic stop losses. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.